Welcome to our first practice in Power BI. Today I will show you how to create your first dashboard. We are going to analyze data from real practice. I worked on a project with my team of 4 salespersons. They didn't use CRM system and send reports with information about the companies they worked with, their leads, offers, and signed contracts. Let's open it in Power BI. Click on Import data from Excel. Choose our dataset. We have a list sales report. Mark it. Here we can ensure the file is correct and load it. After downloading, there is a list with columns headings like an Excel pivot tables. On Visualization panel, we can choose different tools such as bar charts, line charts, waterfall chart, and pie chart. And also a map, cards, and some advanced options like importing R and Python scripts. Also, here is a panel with filters for tools. On the left side, we can switch our mode. Report mode is the mode for working with visualization. Data mode, there is our imported table, and model mode. In model mode, we can connect different data sets like in Microsoft Access. On the top, there are Home tab, Insert, Modeling, View, and Help tabs. Now choose columns with salesperson and number of contracts on the Fields panel. Let's build a histogram. Click on it. Next, I would like to see a sales funnel. Choose Company List, Leads, Presentations, Offers, and Contracts in the same order as in the table. Change type of visualization on funnel. Now, if I click on salesperson's name, funnel will change dynamically and show information about every manager. The next step is Visualization manages activity by date. Choose Date and Leads. When we work with date format, it's automatically sorted by year, quarter, month, or day. In this case, we should choose our basic dates from table. And switch it to area chart. This is info about leads by the date. Copy and paste the chart to see another rate. Choose Presentations instead of Leads. Copy and paste again. Choose Offers and Contracts here. Now I see each salesperson's workflow by clicking on his name. In this video, I showed you how to create a simple dashboard quickly using the basic tools of Power BI. In the next part, we will modify it, make more beautiful and informative.